Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So this is my Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 virtual machine. So we need internet connection in order to download Oracle GraalVM components. So make sure that you have configured internet connection in your virtual machine or operating system. Okay. Now I am going to show you one important thing. First up is we need to check whether dependent files are installed. So rpm qa grub glibc, rpm qa grub gcc, rpm qa grub zlib. So these rpm packages are needed by Oracle GraalVM component native image. Okay. So make sure that these dependencies are installed. So all these dependencies are available in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 DVD ISO file itself. Okay, no need to download from internet. Okay, now I am going to software directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded Oracle GraalVM Enterprise Edition, which will be using Oracle JDK 17 for Linux as a tar.gzip file and jar files. So jar files are nothing but GraalVM components. Okay. So first up, what I am going to do, I am going to extract this GraalVM Enterprise tar.gzip file to one directory. I am going to extract the content to /opt directory. So extraction is completed. So I am copy pasting the content here. So I am going to navigate the directory structure. This is the directory structure of GraalVM Enterprise Edition 22.3. So in bin directory you can see some commands are there. GU command is there. Jmods directory. So Jmod directory also you can see that GraalVM modules are there. GraalVM Jmod files are there. Languages directory. So languages also you can see that some languages are available by default. Lib directory. So lib directory library files will be installed here. So tools directory. Tools directory, these are the tools used for development. Okay. So come back. So coming back, I am renaming this directory. So I am renaming this directory to my convenience. GraalVM -e-22.3. Okay. So I am renaming this directory like this. Okay. So now next step, what I am going to do, I am going to create one environment variable. Okay. So I am going to edit the bash profile. So I am going to set the environment variable export java_home pointing to Oracle GraalVM directory, Oracle GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition directory. So next I am going to append the path java home bin directory path to the Linux path, so that all the commands under Oracle GraalVM bin directory will be available in Linux terminal. That's it. So make sure that syntax is correct, otherwise shell script won't work. Okay. Okay, come back to terminal. I am executing the command source.bash_profile. So this will reload the settings. Now simply execute Java version. That's it. You can see that Oracle JDK 17 and you can see 64-bit server VM, GraalVM Enterprise Edition 22.3.2. So basic environment setup is done. Okay, basic environment setup is done. So GraalVM bin directory commands is available in Linux terminal now. Okay, now first command gu list. Okay, our first command is gu list. So this will display a list of commands installed. So GraalVM is a core component which is installed already. Okay, gu available command, gu available. So this command will show you what are the components available online, and we can download this component and install the component. So these are the components available online. Okay, gu available command will show you the list of components available in online. Okay, next step what I am going to do, I am going to install one component from online. Okay, gu install JS. See here, it's asking for a download token. So in my previous videos I already told that we can reuse the download token. So I am already having the download token obtained from Oracle website. So let me show the download token. So this is the download token. So we can reuse this download token. Okay, so one download token is associated to one email ID. Okay, so I already got this download token in my email. So copy paste the download token. Now you can see that JS component is downloaded from Oracle website and getting installed. So this is the way we need to install the component from online. Okay, so we need a download token in order to install the component for first time. Okay, so once again I executed the command gu list. You can see that two components are available. Okay, now I am going to install other components one by one. Okay, gu install LLVM. This will install the LLVM runtime core. Next I am going to install gu LLVM. Sorry, gu install LLVM toolchain. Gu install LLVM toolchain. This will install LLVM toolchain. So toolchain is nothing but C C++ compiler. Okay. Gu install native image. So this native image component is a very important component. So this component will convert the Java class file to executable one. Okay, gu install nodeJS. This will install the nodeJS. Gu install Visual VM. This will install the Visual VM component. Yes, so some basic components are got installed. So additionally some of the components are there. You can try that components. So these are the basic things. Okay, more than this many components are there available in online. So I installed the basic things only. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am revisiting the GraalVM directory. So I am going to the bin directory of GraalVM. See here, some new commands are got installed. Native image, node, npm, npx, okay, lli. So these are the new commands available after installing the components, additional components. Okay, go to languages directory. Yes, see here in languages directory also I can see JS, LLVM, nodeJS. So these new directories are got created under languages directory, lib directory. So lib directory also you can see new library files are got updated. That's a .so files, lib files are updated here. So changes will be there in bin directory, languages directory and lib directory. After installing the component, monitor this directory, bin directory, languages directory and lib directory. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to remove these components. Okay, so first command gu remove JS. See here, what is the problem? This JS component is needed by nodeJS and Visual VM component. So what I am going to do, gu remove -d JS. So what this command will do, this command will remove JS component also, and also it will remove nodeJS and Visual VM. That is, it will remove the dependents also. Okay, see here. JS also removed, native image, sorry, node.js and visual also got removed. Okay, now I am removing other components also. Now I am removing another remaining components also using gu remove command. So in this way you can remove the components or uninstall the components using gu remove command. See here. So you can't remove GraalVM, it's a core component. Okay. So this is the way you can remove the component using gu remove command. Okay. Next, what I am going to show you, I am going to the software directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded some jar files, right? So these jar files are nothing but components only. Okay. So these components can be installed without internet connection also. So without internet connection, that is offline also, we can install these components. Okay. So I am installing gu install JS component from online because JS component is not available offline currently. I have not downloaded JS component jar file. So I have installed the JS component online itself. Now rest of the components I am going to install from local directory. Okay. So gu install -l pointing to the jar file path. Okay, this is a jar file path. So we are going to install all this component locally. So gu install -l means local. So it will install the component locally. See here, LLVM runtime core is installed. Now I am installing toolchain. LLVM toolchain also got installed. Next I am installing native image. Next I am installing nodeJS. Okay, nodeJS also installed. Next I am installing Visual VM. So gu list. So these are the components. Okay, after installing from local directory. So finally I install all the components: JS, LLVM, LLVM toolchain, native image, node.js, Visual VM. So these are the basic components used by the development. Okay, next I am going to show you info command, gu info command. So gu info component name will give you the details about the component. So gu info JS means it will display the information about JS component. gu info LLVM means it will display the information about the LLVM component. So make use of the info command if you don't know about the component details. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to show you another command, gu -- show EE token. So this command will display the download token. What is the download token used here? So that will be displayed. So download token is already configured under gu directory config file. Okay. Let me show you visually. See here, .gu folder. Okay. So this Graal Enterprise Edition download token can be reused. Okay, this token can be reused for the installation of component in another box. Okay. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to show you very important step, that is I am going to compile the Java program, and after compiling I am going to create the native executable using native image command. Okay, you can see that I have compiled the hello world program using GraalVM compiler. Okay, next I am issuing the command native image. So this native image command will convert the class file to the executable So that is natively executable file, native image -cp dot hello world. -cp means class path, dot means current directory. Okay, so you can see that native executable files are getting generated. So it will be using C compiler. See here, executable file is got generated. So hello world executable is got generated. Okay, it using C compiler, and also you can see that all the packages, Java packages, are bundled to this hello world executable. Okay, so now we are going to run this hello world executable file. ls command. You can see that hello world executable file is got generated by native image command. Okay, /hello world. That's it. Yes, we can able to run the Java program natively. That is, after creating the executable file, using the native image command, I can able to run the executable file. Okay. So now next step, what I am going to do, I am going to run C program using the GraalVM's LLVM toolchain. Okay. So here you can see that hello world.c is there. So before running this, I am going to show you something. LLI print toolchain path, LLI command -print toolchain path. This will display the toolchain path. Okay. So toolchain path is nothing but this is the path where C compiler are located. Okay, let me show you visually. OPT GraalVM, okay, languages LLVM bin directory. Sorry, LLVM native bin. Okay, so this is the directory, languages LLVM native bin directory. So you can see that C compiler, that is C-lang compilers are there. Okay, so copy this path. Okay, copy this path, go to home directory. I am going to edit the bash profile once again. So I am going to append the path to the Linux path variable. So append this languages LLVM native bin directory path to the Linux path variable, so that C-lang compiler will be available in Linux terminal. Okay, come back to terminal. Once again I am executing the source command. Source pointing to the bash profile path. Okay, so once again it will reload the profile settings. The source command will reload the profile settings. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am checking the I am going to run the C program using C-lang compiler, C-lang LLVM compiler, C-lang hello world.c -o hello world. You can see that hello world executable file is created. So I simply run by LLI hello world. That's it. You can see that hello world message is displayed. So this is the way we need to run C program using GraalVM's LLVM toolchain. So I executed the hello world C program successfully. Now same method we are going to execute C++ program. So there is one C++ program. This C++ program will display the welcome message. The same method only, but command will be different. C-lang hello world.cpp -o hello world. That's it. So this will generate one executable file. See here, hello world executable file is got generated. I simply run this executable file using LLI command. That's it. LLI runtime command. Okay, LLI hello world. This will display the welcome message. So finally we ran the C++ program also using LLVM toolchain. Okay, now we are going to see how to run the node.js programs. Okay, so there is already one directory called js program. So I have one program called app.js. So in app.js, this is a simple web server. So this is a simple web server which will display the message in browser and print some message in console also. Okay, and this program will get timed out in 20 seconds. Okay, so this program uses two node.js modules, ANSI-span and colors. So I am downloading the ANSI-span and colors modules using npm install command. So you can see the node modules directory, ANSI-span and colors packages are got installed. Okay. Now I am going to run this app.js file. So before that, I am opening the browser. Okay, I am opening the browser. Node app.js, that's it. Okay, it is displaying some path here. Copy the link, go to the browser, paste it, that's it. You can see that messages got displayed in the browser, and this program will be get timed out. Yes, it's got timed out in 20 seconds. So finally we ran node.js program also using Oracle GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition. So finally we have successfully installed Oracle GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Make sure that all the dependencies, that's I show some dependencies, right? So those dependencies must be installed for compiling native image files. Okay, that is gcc, glibc, zlib packages. Okay, so LLVM and LLVM toolchain used to run C++ programs, and node.js is used to run node.js programs. So additionally, there are many components are there. We can see that later.